I'm Jocelyn Person in Buffalo, where the mental health advocates are expanding its services for at-risk youth by hiring counselors that can use their own lived experiences to connect with them.
A lot of youth are feeling disconnected from others. Social isolation has become a bigger thing. So our YPAs are definitely in demand.
Those YPAs are the trained youth peer advocates that work with kids ages 9 to 18 who come from all different communities. To qualify as a peer advocate, they must be 18 to 30 years old and have life experiences that at-risk youth can relate to.
Youth advocates have been in the child care system, child welfare system in some form or another. So they know what it's like to have gone through these experiences with the hopelessness and the despair. So they could tell someone, I've been there. This is what I did. Maybe you might want to try it. Or this has been my experience. So even seeing someone who is doing okay is enough sometimes to get a person to realize, wow, I'm having trouble now, but maybe I can get through this with the help of this individual.
The director of the youth programs at Mental Health Advocates tells me the risk of suicide is increasing among the teens especially.
Especially youth of color, black youth, it's definitely increasing. But the problem is that we don't talk about it, so a lot of youth feel isolated, and if they do have these feelings, they don't want to share anything because they're afraid of what's going to happen.
Best Self Behavioral Health also has a similar program growing for the youth, where they have peer mentoring to help kids in the classroom.
We try to do preventative work, so we're in schools a lot. So we're in over like 50 schools in Western New York and Niagara County, talking with these young kids, young adults from high school to elementary schools, and they're letting us know that they're dealing with these things. They're dealing with mental health adversities in school, at home, through social media. Get involved with these children, get involved with these kids, not just through sports, but also through who they are and what they're dealing with, because once they understand that you're a comfortable person and you're a safe person for them to understand what they're going through, I promise things will start being prevented and it'll help them very soon in the future.
If you're interested in becoming a peer for this program, you can just click the link that's posted to this story on WKBW.com. In Buffalo, Jocelyn Person, 7 News.